out the doors located in the back of the auditorium. Feel free to record your dancer with no flash, but please do not stand in order to avoid blocking anyone's view. We would like to recognize our
What's up, my YouTube babies, and this your girl Just with the Vibes, and you guys are tuning in for the second half of this vlog mini rant because honesty, and this is just me giving my definition of it, and then my perspective on it, and then we can discuss other things. Is being able to say, well, I don't like you. You're straightforward, it's straight to the point, and you're letting somebody know the honest truth, like, I don't like you. And transparency is going more in details to tell the person why I don't like you. I don't like you because you don't know how to listen and comprehend and take heed to what I say, and I know we have a difference of opinion, but I need you to respect mine. That's transparency. You feel what I'm saying? They said a lot of people move in honesty and not transparency. 100% agree with that. Because you can be honest, but are you really being transparent with not only yourself, but the situation? You know what I'm saying? Be very transparent, sometimes too transparent, because for me, it is what it is. Like, I done been through so much shit, so it's just like, why not be transparent in this moment? You know what I'm saying? I just really wanted to touch on that real quick because, like, a lot of people want respect. A lot of people want honesty. A lot of people have all this criteria of things that they want their way. But in essence, are you really moving in that way as well? I just feel like so many people want transparency. So many people want honesty, and they lack transparency. Like, the older you get, the more transparent you are. When you have those elders or have had those elders in your life, or just people you've encountered that just be like, baby, you live, you learn. That's 100, because it's just like, the older you get, you feel the need to be more transparent, especially if you are elevating correctly and growing correctly, because life is about growing and glowing. And when you stay stagnant, when you ain't trying to learn and elevate and change your perspective and grow your perspective, then it can affect you ultimately. Say, oh, you live, you learn. You definitely live and learn, and you become more transparent because of the situations and things that you encounter. Immune to the bullshit. Like, you done been through any and everything under the sun that you could think of, and now what more can you do to me? What more can you say to me? What more can you do to belittle me? Other than do something and make you feel better, because obviously you feel away, So when you've been through so much shit, you just become inevitably unstoppable. Like, you can conquer the world, hell and high water. The older you get, that part of life makes you more transparent, even if you ain't trying to be, you know what I'm saying? More people should move in transparency. That's why a lot of situations, relationships, communication, different things like that are lacking, and people are on a get you before I get me first mentality, and people are, or say they're moving in honesty, but sometimes it can have narcissistic behavior behind it. Sometimes it could be something completely different, like people not open to opening their perspectives, stopping yourself in a sense from not being able to sit back, look at the situation for what it is, be transparent in what you can do in the situation, and then once you're transparent, then you can allow somebody to be transparent with you, and y'all can be transparent with each other, and it's easier to communicate because you're actually taking a moment to stop and listen and comprehend from that person's point of view and perspective, instead of just standing solely in what you feel and where you stand. And not to say that you shouldn't do that or nothing like that, but I do feel like, you know, when you actually take a moment to step back and listen to somebody else's perspective, although you may or may not agree, you can look at it from a different perspective and take something from it, you know? I just really wanted to touch on that real quick. I don't know why I wanted to, but I felt like it was just a dope post. Yeah, because that was a post I saw. I saw a few people actually talking about it. It's so crazy because I've been going through that and, like, you know, like evaluating everybody and everything around me. I'm like, I'm too transparent for these motherfuckers, you know? Like, everybody say they so real, everybody say they so 100, but is you really? Is you really? But yeah, y'all. Y'all comment, rate, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos, and they will be coming. So peace, y'all.
Don't tell me lies. Look at your neck, your chest, your breast. Tell me everything that's